Sorry.
Well,
Oh yeah, you bothered too.
Rich jetted out to that early lead.
That is just bizarre. You go there and the guy is trash. Yeah. Yeah. I turned to me, looked at me, and he goes, "How old are you?" And I said, "23." He goes, "No." Yeah, he was about 17, right? He goes, "Yeah." He said I was going to say.
At 1.8 back that time.
Take 5 years off my age.
2.1 back to Rich that time.
He's on 40. I was like,
Wiley Willie just a half a second behind that second place truck Pat. Let's see who's next. A Main, Craig, Carrie, the Slashes, Ken, AJ, Corey, and Austin's a bump up.
Attention. 1 minute and 5 seconds down. And 4 minutes and 54 seconds to go. Rich Nickel with car number 2 is running in first on pace of 73 laps in 6 minutes and 1 second. Pat Velkout with car number 3 is running in second on pace of 70 laps in 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Dave Willie with car number 5 is running in third on pace of 69 laps in 6 minutes and 3 seconds.
Now we have something to hit people with.
Just remember when you're carrying that around, have a good night.
Attention. 2 minutes and 7 seconds down. And 3 minutes and 52 seconds to go. Rich Nickel with car number 2 is running in first on pace of 76 laps in 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Pat Velkout with car number 3 is running in second on pace of 73 laps in 6 minutes. Dave Willie with car number 5 is running in third on pace of 72 laps in 6 minutes and 2 seconds.
Richie Rich got a lap up on the field now.
That little boy over there, your brother? You not? I thought you were your little brother, but he's trash talking. No. So you sort of like it that way.
You do both, then I got no idea.
Pat and Dave still on the same lap.
Attention. 3 minutes and 9 seconds down. And 2 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Rich Nickel with car number 2 is running in first on pace of 77 laps in 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Pat Velkout with car number 3 is running in second on pace of 74 laps in 6 minutes and 2 seconds. Dave Willie with car number 5 is running in third on pace of 72 laps in 6 minutes.
Proof of where it gets it from. You just got let off the hook for that one.
Still a rookie. And you're sick, right?
We were just working the fire station too? I want to go. Oh, you keeping an eye on it?
4 down, 2 to go. 2 to go.
Oh, wow.
A Main Slash. Get them ready. Craig, Carrie, Ken, AJ, Corey, and our bump up Austin.
Which one is it, Oregon? Are you in the
Attention. 4 minutes and 11 seconds down. And 1 minute and 48 seconds to go. Rich Nickel with car number 2 is running in first on pace of 77 laps in 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Pat Velkout with car number 3 is running in second on pace of 74 laps in 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Dave Willie with car number 5 is running in third on pace of 73 laps in 6 minutes and 4 seconds.
I know. It sounds fun. About 20 minutes.
Smile, it's a happy day.
Takes me about 10 minutes to get from downtown to downtown. Yeah.
Yeah.
Little lady, I don't think
Pump for dates and lights.
I look downtown, the expressway's right there. Any expressway that I need.
No?
And then I
it better, Daryl?
There she is.
What did Daryl do to it?
Christmas coat.
Still doing it?
It was okay, and all of a sudden it started pulling
Like
out.
a Jordan shoes.
See it down here, rubbing it down.
10 seconds.
You tell her about Chris. You gotta tell him it's the Chris thing. You gotta, you know, you gotta tell him.
I know.
Vehicle, you are done. Attention. The regular time for this race
We're all
is
done.
complete your last lap.